Welcome back, guys, and in this video we will be learning about type def, namely how we as programmers can create alias in C++ and basically hide complexity for our needs. Let's see, we want to create a new project and want to create console application, and we want to call this, let's see, type def, like this, finish. So, sometimes you have the situation where your types can kind of get complicated, and especially as we will see with templates. So keep this in mind. We haven't yet learned about templates, but sometimes it just can get a bit complicated. Now we will look at simple examples. So now you might not understand the real reason for having a type def, but you will later on when we talk about templates and when things start to go crazy in the next video. But for example, let's say that we have a variable double like this, double height. And you realize that, you know what, we do not want to write double each time. Instead, we want to type def double, and we want to call this height. So now each time I create a height variable, it will be a double. So basically I can do height, and then I can do Ivan height equal to 191 centimeters. Let's see, 0.5 centimeters. And now when I print this, C++ will basically replace height. So you see it works. It will basically replace height with double, because we tell C++ here, you know what, whenever you see height, replace it with double. And sometimes we just created our own data type, our own variable type, by just creating an alias for an already existing data type, double. And currently it might seem strange. You might think, Ivan, why are we doing this? It seems silly. Why? It's so easy to just write double Ivan height. But realize that very, very soon our data types will be massive, and you will see the complexity which we will encounter. But I just want to give you a slight introduction into type def and the fact that you can do alias like this. So for example, another reason might be that you have, for example, a struct, and you have a struct called person as we had before, and maybe here you have let's see, maybe here you have string name like this, and then you say, you know what, type def. For some reason, maybe you don't want to use this person, or maybe you have, maybe you're using some strange library, and instead of just calling the struct a person, they have called this, for example, I don't know, Homo sapiens. And you just, you know what, I do not want to use Homo sapiens in my code base, so let's just, let's just rename this to person. And from now on, when I create a person, it will create a Homo sapiens, basically. And you see person, when I do this, it has name inside of it because it is here. So this is a way we can do alias. Type def is used when creating aliases. I understand that currently you might not see the point, but you will very soon when we learn about templates and when our data types will be more complex. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.